Hello there, welcome to another video. This video is for the people who just upgraded to Windows 11 and suddenly realized that there is a lot of space taken up by something. For example, this one is a fresh installation and it shows only 172 gigabytes free of 237. This is not normal, but there is an explanation to it as to why this is happening. So when you upgrade, for you to be able to revert back to Windows 10, Windows temporarily stores files. So if you want to actually go back, then all the system information is there, easily reversible. So what you can do is you can go ahead and delete those temporary files, and that should give you a lot more space than what we have here. So let's do this. Now what we're going to do first is go to settings. So excuse me, let me lower the camera. So you click onto the Windows icon at the bottom there, and then setting here, and then when you click on it, go to storage. Now if you look in the storage bit, you will see under the temporary file there is about 66.7 gigabytes. So what we can do, we should be able to get rid of most of it. So click on the temporary file, okay. So when you click on the temporary file, it does take some time to load, and then you would see previous Windows installation. So there are other stuff in there, but those are not much, just few megabytes. So to be safe, I'm gonna take all of these off. So untick this, and I'm just gonna keep that ticked, and then click remove, continue, and it says on there purging previous Windows installations. So remember, before you do this, do try your Windows out properly. There are a lot of people that do not like Windows, not because it's bad, but maybe they're used to the old system. So don't do this until you're sure that you're actually fine with Windows 11. So we're just gonna wait and see. Alright, so this took a good while to purge it through. Even though this PC itself is 65 watt, it took about 5 minutes or so. So if you have a lower powered PC, it might take a whole lot more. But if we go back to now, we can see the storage has increased by quite a bit. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching.